Good morning, friends. Welcome you to the district headquarters of Munger, or in the area of Raishar, close to cigarette factory. You see it about that. This is the area that is actually filled with that of the concrete jungle. Despite all the thing, one thing is actually pleasing. One is there. Amid there is, you can say it about that green plants. This is mango. Mango not actually just grown too much, but a little bit mango actually seen there over here. Mango plant. Besides that, you see this is barhar. Maybe the person actually living in the city, they do not know it about here. Just beyond that, just below, it is lychee or it is mango. Just in front you also see it about that this is mango, and just in that front that is guava. And this is the love particularly on the part of the people, is it not here? On the part of the people to love nature or make the artificial thing to be just planted there over here. Mango plant there, or you say this is guava plant. Beyond that, one thing more is there, that is pomegranate, anar, or a building under construction. Person just taming the goats, maybe for business purpose, you can see here. Or there you can say it about that cannel plant is there, did not serve. Cannel plant, flower is too much. Flower is too much. There in Kheda Park, the flower is not as bright as there over here. That is looking there over here. Is it not here? And more than that, just beyond you see, moringa too is there. Mango. The plant mango is there. There you can say it over, that is coconut. Amid concrete, something nice, something good. Away from pollution, you can say it over that this is a pollution-free zone. If this be there in Delhi, certainly the situation will be nice. And just on the roof of my sister, I find this flower. It not here. This is Sadabahar, or it is just beneficial for the sake of diabetics to be controlled like that. And here it is hibiscus, and one flag actually declaring Jai Sri Ram. Maybe this is actually just fixed during the time of inauguration of Rama temple. But this plant of rose is dried, and here one thing you must be knowing, this is known as gaspindo, according to the language of Bihar. It is a nice thing to eat, and this much. Or beyond that, one thing more is there here. This is aloe vera, along with hibiscus. This is nice, is it not, sir? Again, I will just make you to be aware of the city of Munger. It is the city close to Bhagalpur, or the place where Karna was actually making himself to be converted into what, as myth says, and thus getting the gold, and after that he is distributing that to the, or you can say it about that, donating to the poor. This much, thank you very much. But one thing I love to just make you to be just seen here. This is the tulsi plant, or you can say it about that, representing Hindu culture. Or here too, Sadabahar is there. One cactus is struggling for its survival because it is standing there in concrete pot like that, you can say. This much, thank you very much.